The agriculture sector has continued to receive attention from various partners. The sector has this time received support from Australian government through Australia Centre for International Agricultural Research for projects to be implemented in Uganda and Zambia at a cost of $3 million Australian dollars. The aim of the project is to develop value chain innovation platforms to improve food security in East and Southern Africa. The project will be implemented in Uganda's Manafia and Kachpovia areas in East Africa, while Solwezi district has been picked as a site for Southern Africa. Participants from Australia, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Malawi and Zambia have visited 2 sites to look at Musangu project and Katoka fish production activities at St. Francis in Solwezi before the baseline survey is undertaken. Dr. Gideon Kabwe, who is also a lecturer at the Copperbelt University, is the national coordinator, explained the objectives of the project.
The total cost of the project is 3 million Australian dollars. The main objective of this project is actually to help to improve the livelihoods of the farmers, but not necessarily farmers, even those that are involved in the value chain, which is why we're talking about the value chain. It's from the production through to processing and how they eventually take it to the market.
Funders of the project also added their voices after sampling the 2 sites.
We are here because we would like to work together with the farmers, and we would want to make a change such that even what you produce here is able to fetch a better price at the markets, and also trying to bring the togetherness as farmers, because you can only win when you work together and you join the necessary energies together. We are a general group who are very interested in uplifting the standards of our smallholder farmers.
Farmers are happy with the support and appeal to the funders to create market of the value chains to be promoted in the district.
To us as Farmers Union, this project has come at the right time when we need our farmers to improve in the technologies of farming. Because having one crop, the maize, it will not help us. If this project comes and runs well, it will help the farmers to diversify from maize growing to other crops and other ventures such as fish farming and where we've been, the agroforestry farming, which is integrated with the crop farming.
The project, which is coordinated by the World Agroforestry Center, ICRAF, in partnership with Ugandan and Zambian governments, will be implemented by Copperbelt University, CBU, and Zambia Agricultural Research Institute, ZARI, in Zambia. Clifford Chituta, reporting Solwezi District, Northwestern Province.